The trial of South Sudan's suspended first Vice President Riek Machar continued in Juba today, reaching day 5. Prosecutors began presenting their case, alleging that Machar and senior SPLM-IO officials orchestrated the March 2025 Nasser attack, which left dozens dead. And central to the allegations is the Nuer White Army, a loosely organized Nuer youth militia. Prosecutors say that Machar's camp mobilized the group to launch a premeditated assault. The defense rejects that, insisting the violence was local and not tied to Machar at all. For the first time, prosecutors said they introduced evidence by reading statements from 4 of the accused. They also claimed they will bring forward forensic material, communication records, and more than 100 witnesses. But here's the catch. Independent journalists and family members are barred from the courtroom. That means nobody outside the proceedings can verify what was actually read. No transcripts have been released, no details of those statements are public, and the information comes only through state-approved outlets. Rights groups warn that without transparency, the public has little proof that meaningful evidence is even being presented. Today's hearing ended abruptly when the lead investigator himself, after reading the 4 statements, asked for more time, citing fatigue, that he was tired. The judges agreed, and the case was adjourned until Friday, October 3rd. The stop and start pace has raised questions about whether the prosecution is even fully prepared to present its case. Outside court, an opposition faction issued a statement calling the trial politically and tribally motivated. The defense continues to argue that Machar should have constitutional immunity and that the 2018 peace deal called for a hybrid court. But last week, the special tribunal itself ruled it has jurisdiction, rejecting those objections. And observers note that in most legal systems around the world, such a ruling would come from like a higher court. Here, the tribunal is both conducting the trial and affirming its own legitimacy. A setup critics say leaves few checks or balances. For now, the trial is set to resume on Friday when prosecutors are expected to continue presenting evidence. One last thing before you go, I am really trying to get to 10,000 followers by the end of October, so if you are enjoying my reporting, please be sure to hit the follow button for more news in 3 minutes or less. And if you want to support my work further with additional perks, you can join my Patreon for as little as $1 a month. Check out the link in my bio for more.